Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap text around a circle in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for circle here. OK, let's select this circle option available here. Let's change the color of this circle. Now go on the left hand side and click on Text. Add a heading and let's write Wrap your text. Now go back and add another heading. Let's write Around a circle. Now go up here and click on Fonts. Let's change the font here. Let me select this font for both these headings. Now let's increase the font size of this text. Now go up here and click on Effects and select the curve option here. And adjust the curve of this text using this option. OK, now let's adjust this heading here. Go back to Effects and select Curve option here. And adjust the curve of this text using this option. Now let's add a letter in the center here. See, that was so easy. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.